1 year of copy trading, and this is what happened. Let's take a look at this. It's pretty crazy to me, but the ROI for me was actually down 10%. I want to see what exactly goes on. I put $100, and basically I was up at some point. I really was up, and I want to see why BYBIT is so good. But there's two positions shorting Bitcoin that really cost me a lot, but that's okay. I only lost $13. But if someone put in $100,000, he would be losing big. I think this trader is a great one, and I'm just using him as an example. So be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. But this time we're going to be talking about BYBIT copy trading and what exactly does happen when you do BYBIT copy trading. So I had a BYBIT copy trader for 1 single year. That's right, we had it for 1 single year. And I wanted to see what happens with copy trading. You know, it's very popular in Forex, but what about BYBIT? Well, BYBIT's copy trading is kind of different. And, you know, a lot of this ROI only works for 30 days, but over long term, can it actually make you money? I had a year in the making for videos like this. I've been a huge copy trading channel back in the day, and I'm back. And already be sure to smash that like button. But let's take a look at the last 90 days. You know, my daily ROI was actually going pretty much down, and I was up 180. I was up 80%. So if you take it out at the right time, and if you haven't already, be sure to use my link in the description below for a free $3,000 bonus. This video is for anyone that likes copy trading overall. Look at this. These people are making 100%, but this means you have to pull it out at the right time. As people put in a lot of cash, he made like himself $2,000, which is pretty awesome, to be honest. You know, you can see his statistic, you can see what he does, so he doesn't do any sketchy stuff. But you can also see his followers, what they do, and his followers made $7,000, you know, and that's what's pretty crazy to me. This guy made $1,300, you know, but he put in $48,000. He put in $48,000 to make $1,300, so it's not risk-free. But ACC Capital, for example, I guess this is a big firm or something, put in $27K to make $800 from copy traders. So there's actually professional companies, I'm guessing, or professional people putting in big amounts of money to earn smaller amounts, to take like profit shares and take it back. And that's what's pretty awesome to me. But there's also small fish that maybe put $100 and get it all back. And that's what I like to see. But some people put in like $700 to make $20 back and are waiting for that big win streak. So it depends on which trader you pick. You could potentially win pretty big. But for me, I feel like you got to stick with one for a longer term of time. You can either win big or lose big. Like a lot of traders over time, they can make mistakes. But if you keep switching around, potentially, if you pick the right traders, if you pick the right copy traders, you know, even if they have 10% ROI, some traders play it more risky, some play it more safe, don't have any drawdown. You know, copy trading really improved a lot, and that really helps you out. But if you guys want more content like this, you know, you can see here, this guy made 10K in the last 7 days to these people, 10K. So, no, sorry, this guy actually made 35K himself, top profit win streak. So he made 35K and he made his followers $100,000. Wow. $100,000 in 7 days. Mwah. Sounds perfect, right? But a lot of the copy traders, they can also make huge losses. So let's see. The worst, like, okay, I don't know what happened here, but for example, $80,000 down. Anything could happen. So if you pick the right ones, it can potentially give you huge returns. And that's what I love to see. So for example, there's a user that lost 72K trading this week, but maybe if you check over time, he actually won $200,000. Over time, he won over $200,000. He started with $9,000, and well, he made a huge ROI overall. Like, look at this. He made a profit of $80,000, $220,000. Now he's still at 200K. So overall, even when trading, he got out a lot of the fees. But he had some, you know, bad up trades. This doesn't mean he can't make it back, but on the average profit and loss, he made $400 per day. Now, that is great news. If you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to join my copy trading, or if you want to join more content like this, be sure to smash that like, and I'll keep you guys updated in my Discord community that I'm going to make soon. Till next time, peace, everyone.